Welcome to a new video with a summary of the book Start With Why by Simon Sinek. This book is like a magic potion that will turn you into a leader that people can't help but follow. And let's be real, who doesn't want to be a leader? I mean, you get to sit at the front of the room, people hang on to your every word, and you get to make all the important decisions. It's like being a king or queen, but with less crowns and more spreadsheets. So, what is this Start With Why thing all about? Well, in a nutshell, it's about understanding the power of having a clear why in your business or personal life. It's about the golden circle, a fancy framework for understanding how successful organizations and leaders think and act. This golden circle is made up of three parts: the why, the how, and the what. Now, most organizations focus on the what and the how, but Sinek argues that the real magic happens when you start with the why. When you start with the why, you're able to inspire and motivate people in a way that just isn't possible when you focus on the what and the how. It's like trying to convince your mum to let you stay out late. If you just say, "I want to stay out late," she's gonna be all like, "No way, Jose." But if you say, "I want to stay out late because my friends and I are going to this really important event where I'll have the chance to network and advance my career," she's more likely to be like, "Well, in that case, I suppose you can stay out late." See, it's all about the why. To give you an example, think about Apple. Apple is a company that is known for making really cool and innovative products. But what really sets them apart is their why. Apple's why is to think different and challenge the status quo. That's what inspires their customers and employees to be a part of something bigger than just buying and selling products. It's like being part of a secret club that only cool kids know about. And who doesn't want to be in a secret club? Another example is Martin Luther King. His why was to bring about equality for all people, and that powerful why is what inspired millions of people to join his movement. It's like being part of a group that's going to change the world. It makes you feel like you're doing something important. And honestly, who doesn't want to feel important? Now, I know you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but how do I actually figure out my why? Don't worry, Sinek has got you covered. He provides a bunch of practical tips and exercises to help you figure out your why. One of the key things is to look back at the moments in your life when you felt truly fulfilled or inspired and try to figure out what was driving those feelings. It's like trying to remember why you fell in love with your significant other. Sometimes it's hard to put into words, but you just know that it's there. And don't worry, this book isn't just for big shot CEOs and business owners. It's also for everyday people like you and me. It can be applied to anything from choosing a career, to starting a relationship, to deciding what to have for dinner tonight. If you're wondering, I'm having spaghetti because my why is to enjoy delicious food, so what are you waiting for? Go out there and find your why. It'll be like a treasure hunt. But instead of a chest full of gold, you'll end up with a chest full of purpose and inspiration. And honestly, who doesn't want a chest full of purpose and inspiration? In conclusion, this book is a must-read for anyone looking to lead, inspire, and make a difference in their life or the life of others. It's packed with insights, examples, and actionable advice that will change the way you think about leadership and decision-making. It's like a cheat code for life. So, go ahead and get the book, and let's start living with purpose and make a real change. And remember, as always, if you don't know your why, you'll always be a what and a how without a purpose. So go forth, find your why, and be the leader you were born to be. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.